Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to take your ponytail from this to this in just 1 minute. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide off the top section of the hair from about the end of the eyebrows and pop this into a ponytail. Then just clip this out of the way for later. Then we're going to secure the bottom half into another ponytail as close to that first one as we can get it. Release that top ponytail down, and we're going to make a hole just behind the elastic band and pass the ends of that top ponytail to your fingers and then pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Next, we're going to take our fingers and put them back through that same hole, but this time we're going to grab that bottom ponytail, so pass it through to your fingers and pull it up and all the way through the hole. Then pull tightly on the edges to tighten up the ponytail, and pinch and pull the crown for a little bit of messy volume. Apply some texture spray all over that ponytail. I'll list the one I'm using in the description below. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.